name is Vidya and I have a question for you. What made you take up cricket as a profession?
Ooh, a very interesting question. What made me take up cricket as a profession? I have no idea. From the time that I have any understanding of me as a human being, that's the only thing that I've experienced that I used to love. Just picking up a bat and trying to hit a cricket ball. Actually, interestingly, that's a very good question. I was convinced that I'm going to, play for India and win matches for India one day. As a kid, when I used to watch matches on TV, and ये मैंने काफी टाइम बताई भी है बात. मेरा एक दोस्त था who watched me play, and he used to play very well himself. He's a left-handed batsman, and he actually told my father, because I used to play in the community जो अपना park होता है, वहाँ पे हम टेनिस बॉल से खेलते थे, and I used to play like technically very sound. So he asked me to सीखता है यार से कि मैं तो देखता हूँ सिर्फ. So I used to watch on TV and be able to copy those shots. So then he spoke to my father. He's like, he should be in an academy. You should be learning cricket. It's not like, it's not random. It's not like you can watch and copy stuff like so easily.
कुछ special है.
हाँ.
How old were you then?
I was 8.
8, okay.
Yeah. So at that time he told my father you should enroll him, and then my father enrolled me, and then from there on I felt like this is it. This is what I'm supposed to do.
Sir, also kids will soon realize जब ये बड़े होंगे कि हमारे टाइम पे और कुछ सही नहीं. We are only escape. या पढ़ाई थी या स्पोर्ट था, और स्पोर्ट में उस टाइम क्रिकेट was just the thing, right?
That's an interesting point actually. There was no distraction.
There was no distraction.
या तो आपको पढ़ाई करनी है तो आप उसमें गए. Cricket for me, like even now I can feel it, कि me when I got into the academy I was like, this is it boss. There is no अच्छा थोड़ी देर में ये कर लेता हूँ, अरे थोड़ी देर. There was nothing of that sort. So all your energy is invested in one thing, and then you are committed. And once you are committed, then good things happen. Whether it's academics or cricket or any other sport. I used to see people like all day just in it, because there was no
कुछ सही नहीं होता.
आप बैठे हो तो बात कर रहे हो किसी से, या बैठे हो तो you're thinking about what went right, what can you do better. There was never an escape. There was disconnect. आप दोस्तों के साथ घूम रहे हो तो आप उसमें भी इन्वॉल्व हो. वो थोड़ी सी इन्वॉल्वमेंट जो है ना, वो थोड़ी सी कॉम्प्रोमाइज अभी हो जाती है. So it's tougher now to actually be that committed for anything. But if you can, then it's also easier to kind of rise.